As many of you might know, the S19 XP hashboard utilizes a 15 volts input from the miner PSU. This 15 volts DC voltage enters the hashboard at its positive pole, and travels along the edge via the conductive copper sheets, reaching the positive pole of the last domain, then exiting from its negative pole. This side is the positive pole of the last domain, and these copper sheets serve as its negative pole. The voltage then continues its journey into the 10th domain. So these copper sheets are also the positive pole of the 10th domain, and the other side is its negative pole. Following this same principle, the voltage travels in a straight line until it reaches the negative pole of the first domain, and then returns to the hashboard's negative terminal via these copper sheets.